Hey guys, welcome to Happy Foods channel. Today we will make butter at home. To start with, I have taken cream or malai from milk and stored in freezer. You can also take store-bought heavy cream. To make cream, we take this out and let it come to room temperature. After this, we are gonna add buttermilk, or we can also add curd with little water. Let it ferment for 2 days or 1 day depending upon the environment or room temperature. And after that we will give it a mix, and now we will start blending. You can use hand blender like I am using, or food processor, or even blender jar of your mixer grind. Or you can use hand also, but it will take more muscle work. After blending for 2 to 3 minutes, you will see it starts coming together. And when we blend beyond that, it starts breaking into tiny particles and water is separated. This water is the actual buttermilk. Now we will hang this into cheesecloth. So you can see water has not perfectly separated from this. We will skip this side and blend again till the water actually separates and you can see clear butter as the tiny particles. See, it has started to break down. Now we will hang this into cheesecloth to separate buttermilk from the butter. After few hours, we will take out the butter in a bowl. Like this, we will hang out. First, we will try to squeeze the excess water, that is the buttermilk, into a bowl. Please do not throw this water because this is actual buttermilk and we can use in various recipes including pancakes and various recipes. Okay, after few hours we will take the butter in a bowl, and now we will add ice cold water to it. Basically what we are gonna do is we are washing the butter from any excess buttermilk. With the help of wooden spatula, we will gently push the butter with water so that excess buttermilk comes out. You will see cloudy water. Separate this, then again wash it with cold water. We will wash it till the water comes out clean and the butter becomes smooth. Remember to take ice cold water only, because if we take normal water then the butter may melt. Okay. We can also preserve this water also for kneading dough. It makes very smooth dough. Don't be afraid, butter will not be washed away. Now we will squeeze extra water from the butter. This way we are squeezing and washing every sides of the butter till the water comes out clean. Alright, at this point we can add salt also, but I prefer unsalted. Now we will squeeze extra water from the butter and form a ball. Gently press from the sides of your hand. This way any excess water will again be squeezed out. I now transfer this into parchment paper. I am arranging the ball so that it can form a shape, a rectangular shape. Like this, smoothing the surface with the help of knife or spatula. And now I will keep it in the fridge. To make ghee, I have added 1 ball of this butter and heated it in a pan. This is slow heat. Stir occasionally. You will see water is evaporating from this. Then all water evaporates. We will strain out the liquid. This is key because when water has evaporated, it will stop crackling sound. Now we will strain out the liquid, which is ghee or clarified butter. And we will leave this at room temperature. Now the butter has set. We will inside the fridge. Let me show you how it has turned out. Beautiful. We can enjoy it with bread or any recipe. There are thousands of recipes which can be made with butter, especially unsalted butter. Let me show you. It cuts out very nicely as it has been so little bit pieces you can see. Fresh butter, ghee and buttermilk from this single recipe. Once you make your own